Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. What's spring without flowers? Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're making three-dimensional flower cookies. In order to adhere the cookie to the stick, take the stick and lightly press it into the back of the cookie to create an indent. Take some extremely stiff piping consistency icing and place it over the indent. Push the stick into the icing until you feel it fit into the indent. Use a cooling rack to prop up the stick while the icing dries. For my hyacinth, I'm using a stiff piping consistency icing, using a dark and light purple, as well as a tiny bit of pink. I'll provide all the details about the tips I use in this video in the details below. This hyacinth's all done and ready for its ribbon leaves. For my daffodil, I'll be starting with a stiff yellow piping consistency icing. This bright shiny daffodil is all done. For my chrysanthemum, I'm using stiff white piping consistency icing. This cute little puff ball is all finished. Now we'll add the ribbon leaves to our flowers. For my base, I'm going to use a plain white coffee mug. It's clean looking, it's small enough for only 3 flowers, and it's useful once the cookies are all gone. Feel free to trim any excess sticks in order to create multiple levels. Now that all of our cookie flowers are in place, we need to cover up the foam. The foam is a very similar color to the ribbon of the flowers. Therefore, I'll let the glass beads shine the color through. What type of flower most reminds you of spring? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, Click subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the Cool Cookie Show. Till next time, stay sweet.